So guys, for the first step, you want to find the Easy Anti-Cheat file for your game. So you need to go into your game folder and then you need to find the Easy Anti-Cheat file. I'll be doing it with Fortnite. So I'm going to find Fortnite, I'm going to click on the three dots, manage. Then I'm going to click right here, open install location. I'm going to open up Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, Easy Anti-Cheat. Now once you find Easy Anti-Cheat, you want to right click on it and then click on properties. Once this comes up, you want to go to the compatibility tab. You want to select run this program in compatibility mode, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as administrator, and then click on OK. Now you want to run Easy Anti-Cheat and then the problem should be fixed. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to find the Easy Anti-Cheat service. So just scroll down till we find Easy Anti-Cheat. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on OK. If you are using the Epic Games Launcher for your game, you want to find Epic Online Services. Double click on it. And again, make the startup type automatic and then click on OK. You should now be able to run Easy Anti-Cheat and then the problem should be fixed.